Ready, start. It would be evident from the provisions quoted above that ad hoc appointment by direct recruitment may be made only on the recommendation of the selection committee referred to in subsection 8, while appointment provisions in the lecturer grade is required to be made in prescribed manner by promoting the senior most teacher in the LT grade possessing prescribed qualifications. The manner is prescribed in the rules. Rule 15 of the rules provides the procedure for ad hoc appointment by direct recruitment under Section 18 of the Act in respect of vacancies to be filled in by direct recruitment. Rule 16 provides the procedure for ad hoc appointment under Section 18 of the Act by promotion in respect of the vacancies to be filled in by promotion. It is not disputed that 50% of the posts in the lecturer's grade are to be filled by promotion and 50% by direct recruitment by the Rule 10 of the rules. The expressions in respect of the vacancies to be filled in by direct recruitment and in respect of the vacancies to be filled in by promotion occurring in Rules 15.1 and 16.1 respectively are significant. These expressions, in our opinion, have reference to vacancies as determined and notified in accordance with Section 10, read with Rules 10 and 11 of the rules. The notification of vacancies to the board contains statement of vacancies for each category of posts to be filled in by direct recruitment or by promotion. Ad hoc appointment under Section 18 is permissible only on fulfillment of the twin conditions precedent. Firstly, the vacancy had been notified, and secondly, the post remained vacant for 2 months. If the vacancy determined in the aforesaid manner falls in the quota of promotion and the conditions precedent as visualized in section 18.1 are satisfied, it can be filled in on ad hoc basis only in the manner prescribed by Rule 16 of the rules as prescribed in section 18.3 and not by direct recruitment under section 2 read with subsection 8 of section 18 and rule 15 of the rules except on pains of invalidation of appointment in terms of section 18(2) of the Act. In our opinion, therefore, if the vacancy falls in the quota of direct recruit, then the same cannot be filled by ad hoc promotion under Rule 16 of the rules, which provides procedure for ad hoc appointment by promotion where such appointments are to be made under Section 18 of the Act in respect of the vacancies to be filled in by promotion. It may be observed that the UP Secondary Education Services Commission removal of difficulties order 1981 has since been resigned and the procedure laid down in the rules holds the field of ad hoc appointment. The view taken by the learned single judge warrants no interference. Full stop.